Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing good today. Today the recipe that I'm going to prepare is, kofta again made of Loki or the bottle gourd. This kofta, I'm going to prepare it like a curry. So first I'll prepare the kofta, and then I will go ahead and kind of put it in the curry that I'm going to prepare. Before we get into the recipe, first what we need to do is we need to take one bottle gourd and grate it nicely, remove the peel, grate it nicely, and remove all the excess water, drain all the excess water from the bottle gourd or the Loki, and keep it aside, and then we'll add a few ingredients to that. So first let's go ahead and grate and remove all the excess water. Now friends, this is grated and I have removed all the excess water from this. Now the next step is we'll add a little spices and a few ingredients so that we can nicely, we'll be able to prepare a nice kofta. And it should not be, you should not have too much moisture in this. So for that, first we'll add the gram flour. So I have taken this 4 spoons full of gram flour, and I have put in this. So you just try to see if there is more moisture, you can put another spoon of the gram flour. Next, a bit of cumin powder. Little chili powder. And just a bit of salt. You need to mix all these ingredients together. This again, you should prepare it to a consistency of a vada. If you want to prepare a vada, what consistency you will have, same consistency you need to prepare this. So mix it well. Friends, now what I have done, I have taken all these ingredients. This is for the masala or the base that we are going to prepare. So I have taken saunf little. It's half a teaspoon or a spoonful of saunf, 1 inch of the cinnamon, and 4 cloves, half spoon again. This is the khaskhas, and I have taken a bit of shahi jeera. This is again half a spoonful, and 1 bay leaf, and 2 cardamoms. So this is the masala, and here in a pan I have kept I have taken very little oil. So I'm going to put all these masalas. And friends, in the meanwhile, this again for the kofta, I have prepared this bottle gourd or the Loki mixture. So we'll keep oil in a pan and we'll start frying these koftas. Just let it fry a bit, and then to this again I'm going to add, I have taken 2 tomatoes, 2 medium sized onions, 1 2 green chili, 1 10 pods of garlic, and little ginger. So again with this masala we are going to put this as well and just fry it a bit. Let it fry for at least 2 minutes. Now friends, at this stage I'm going to add a very little kind of coconut. It's just maybe a small handful of coconut, and little the pudina or the mint leaves. Very little I have taken. So coconut is again to give a little thickness to the gravy. Mix it well. After a minute, just switch off the flame, and you need to grind this to a smooth paste. So friends, now we'll prepare the kofta. So what I'm going to do is, I am taking this amount of the dough, the Lawki mixture that we have prepared. I'll just flatten it a bit, almost like a vada, and I'll put it. It should not be very thin, and it should not be very thick. It should be like this thickness. Let it cook nicely and become golden on both the sides. I'll cook all the koftas and I'll keep it aside. Then we'll go ahead and prepare the gravy, and we'll put these koftas in that gravy. Now while the koftas are frying, I will go ahead and grind this masala that we prepared for the gravy. So once the kofta is ready, we can put it in the gravy. So here I'll go ahead and grind this. So friends, let's start preparing the gravy. For that, I have taken very little oil in a pan, and take a little kind of a pan which has lot of width. The reason being, again, because the kofta needs a little space again, because there will be around 10 to 12 koftas. So I am going to put little mustard seeds and a small spoonful of cumin. So now to this we'll add the masala that we have grinded. Friends, our masala is boiling now. So to this I'm going to add a bit of the Kashmiri chili just for the color. Little turmeric powder. Salt as per your taste. And mix it well. Alright friends, so our gravy has been boiling for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and add the kofta that we have prepared. So this is what we have prepared. Just add all the kofta. And let it boil for another 2 minutes, and then switch off the flame. So friends, our kofta curry is ready. You can have this again, serve it with either chapati or idli, even if you have idli as well, dosa as well, or rice. So it can go well with everything. But it goes well with chapati and rice. So try this recipe, and if you like the recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and do press the bell icon for more recipes. Thank you again for watching.